the wind in your hair, a symphony of V8 thunder echoing off coastal cliffs, and every curve hugging you like it was custom-made for your soul. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the pinnacle of open-top elegance, the 2026 Aston Martin DB12 Volante. This isn't just a convertible, it's the ultimate luxury grand tour that turns heads, breaks hearts, and redefines what super tourer really means. Your resident car whisperer, and today we're diving deep into this British masterpiece with a full exterior and interior walkaround. Buckle up, or don't, since it's a Volante. Hit that like button if you're already obsessed, and subscribe for more high-octane adventures. Let's roll. Let's start with the star of the show, the exterior. Feast your eyes on this poetry in motion. The DB12 Volante measures in at just over 186 inches long, with a wheelbase that's pure proportion, long, low, and lethal. It's built on an extruded, bonded aluminum structure with composite panels, making it 5% stiffer than its DB11 predecessor. Torsional rigidity that means no wobbles when you're pushing 202 miles per hour top speed. Up front, that iconic Aston grille stares you down like a predator, larger and more assertive than before, flanked by adaptive LED matrix headlights with auto high beam and those signature daytime running lights that trace elegant lines. Pop the hood, easy electronic latch, and you're greeted by the heart. A hand-built AMG-sourced 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 pumping out a ferocious 671 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque in standard trim. Wait, for 2026, Aston's dropped the Halo DB12 variant with a tune bump to 690 HP. That's 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds for the Volante, courtesy of the ZF 8-speed auto and electronic limited slip diff. Smooth as silk, explosive as a Spitfire. Sidestep to the profile, pure sculpture. The roof, a genius 8-layer fabric K-fold design that deploys in a class-leading 14 seconds at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. Watch this, no drama, just drama-free top-down bliss. And those 21-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in bespoke Michelin Pilot Sport S5 tires, they're not just pretty, they're engineered with Aston for wet grip wizardry and that buttery ride. Round back, the haunches swell like a bodybuilder's delts, leading to quad exhaust tips stacked on the S for even more growl, and a subtle diffuser that screams subtlety with power. Aerodynamics, wind tunnel hone for downforce without drag. In S-Spec, add a front splitter, vented hood, black side skirts, and red badging for that extra edge. Question for you viewers, does this eclipse the Ferrari Roma Spider in elegance, or does it own the lane against the Bentley Continental GT? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'm dying to hear. This shell isn't just beautiful, it's built to conquer canyons or coastlines. Slide into the cockpit, because that's what this feels like, a fighter jet wrapped in cashmere. The DB12 Volante's interior is a revolution, driver-centric, ultra-luxurious, and leagues ahead of the DB11. We're talking 2+2 seating for 4-up fun, though the rears are best for stylish passengers or weekend bags. Trunk swallows 9.8 cubic feet with top-up, shrinks a bit down. Settle into the 16-way adjustable Sport Plus seats, heated, ventilated, and swathed in semi-aniline leather or Alcantara. In the S, opt for lightweight carbon fiber buckets if you're chasing laps. The door panels, hand-stitched hides that hug you, with tactile analog switches for that heirloom feel. No cheap plastics here. Ahead, the dash is a masterpiece. Twin 10.3-inch pure black digital displays running Aston's bespoke infotainment, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation that's intuitive, not infuriating. The rotary drive mode selector glows red in S-trim, letting you flick between GT, Sport, and 5 modes total for tailored thrills. Climate, dual zone bliss. And the sound, standard 11-speaker setup, but upgrade to Bowers and Wilkins, 15 speakers, 1170 watts of quantum logic immersion. It's tuned to the cabin's acoustics, turning every note into a concert hall. Crank up some Bowie as the top drops. Pure magic. Glance around. Walnut or carbon fiber inlays, illuminated kick plates, ambient lighting that shifts with your mood. Rear seats? Cozy for two, with ISOFIX for the family that fantasizes about speed. Build quality? Flawless. Every stitch, every seam screams Gaydon craftsmanship. Picture this. You're blasting down the Pacific Coast Highway, top stowed and V8 humming at 2,000 RPM for 22 miles per gallon H-way efficiency. Wind buffeting? Minimal, thanks to active wind deflector. It's luxury that doesn't compromise on sport. Bilstein DTX adaptive dampers keep it planted, while carbon ceramic brakes, standard on S, haul you down from triple digits with zero fade. Viewers, if this cabin doesn't make you want to sell a kidney, what will? Hit the comments. Dream spec, color, audio, or S upgrade. Now, the real test. How does she drive? I've sampled the DB12 Volante on twisties from the French Riviera to California's PCH, and it's balanced perfection. That V8 delivers seamless shove, throttle sharp but refined, never jerky. Handling? Immense front-end grip, rear traction that bites without snap. Ride is compliant in GT mode for long hauls, razor-edged in sport. Top down, the drama amps up. The exhaust is deeper in 2026, especially with the optional titanium system on S. Fuel, 15 city, 22 highway. Not bad for 4,000 plus pounds of opulence. Brakes, steel standard, ceramics optional for fade-free stopping. Quick spec rundown. Feature, engine, standard DB12 Volante, 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. DB12S, same, tuned. Feature, power, standard DB12 Volante, 671 horsepower, 590 pound-feet of torque. DB12S, 690 horsepower, 590 pound-feet of torque. Feature 0 to 60, standard DB12 Volante, 3.5 seconds. DB12S, 3.4 seconds. Feature top speed, standard DB12 Volante, 202 miles an hour. DB12S, 202 miles an hour. Feature roof open, standard DB12 Volante, 14 seconds at 31 miles an hour. DB12S, same. Feature price, estimate, standard DB12 Volante, around $265,000. DB12S, around $285,000 plus. It's not just fast, it's involving, intoxicating. There you have it, the 2026 Aston Martin DB12 Volante, where luxury meets legend and every drive feels like a James Bond script. If this walk-around ignited your passion, smash that thumbs up, subscribe for more exclusives, and comment your ultimate convertible dream below. Want me to hunt down a spec build or compare it head-to-head? Let me know. Until next time, drive safe, dream big, and remember, life's too short for boring cars. Cheers.